Hey guys, you've joined us live on Moneycontrol. I'm Manisha Gupta and we're talking about silver right now because it's not just a precious metal but it also is an industrial metal, and there are various ways or reasons that could be boosting silver demand and silver prices going forward. To begin with, China has announced $72.3 billion as tax breaks for next 4 years for EV sales. Now what we did see in the month of May is 10.5% of an increase in EV sales as compared to previous month. So this is one sector that continues to increase on the higher side. Now when you look at the silver usage in green cars, well, that is 25 to 50 grams in an EV per car, and a hybrid car uses 18 to 34 grams of silver per car as well. So with the kind of quantum that we are looking at, the silver demand is expected to gain up going forward. In 2021, EV sales stood at 3.75 million. In the year 2022, that doubled to 6.75 million cars sold globally in an year. That tells you that the silver demand is on a high. We also are staring at a deficit for silver in this current year, and that has been supportive as well. So overall, automotive sector used nearly 55 million ounces in the previous year, and there is an expectation that by 2025 90 million ounces would be used only by the automotive sector. And then you have photovoltaic as a sector as well, where you used 1600 tons in 2010. By 2020, this is almost at 3000 tons of silver used in photovoltaic as a sector as well. So accordingly, there are various sectors, and silver is seen as a green, clean energy, and you will be looking at silver prices going forward. If you look at this year until now, we are up by just about a percentage point in sense of silver, but the industry analyst would tell you that for the Indian market, 65 to 68,000 is a strong support. On the higher side, by the time you see this year ending, it could be 75 to 78,000 rupees per kg is where you could be looking at silver prices trading at.